Hello, in basic science today, we'll be looking at the eclipse of the sun and the moon. Eclipse is divided into two major types: the solar, also known as the eclipse of the sun, and the lunar, also known as the eclipse of the moon. The solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the earth and the sun, leaving a moving region of the shadow on Earth's surface. Lunar eclipse occurs when the earth passes between the sun and the moon, casting a shadow on the moon. The image on the screen is showing us what the eclipse looks like. Here we have the sun, the moon, and the earth is somewhere here. Now the moon is in between the sun and the earth. The moon is blocking the sunlight from reaching the earth, and thus is causing the eclipse of the sun. Now when the earth is in between the moon and the sun, the earth blocks the sunlight from reaching the moon. That is what is called the eclipse of the moon, or the lunar eclipse. The solar eclipse. Solar eclipse happens only at the new moon phase, when the moon is between the earth and the sun. During a solar eclipse, the moon casts a shadow on the earth and blocks it completely or partially. It blocks our view of the sun. It stops the sunlight from getting to the earth. The image on the screen is showing us a demo of what the solar eclipse looks like. That is the sun there. That's the earth. The moon is orbiting. When I replay this video, you see the moon orbiting. That's the moon orbiting, and it has cast a shadow on the earth, thereby causing the sunlight from reaching the earth during the time that it's moved in between the earth and the sun. I'm going to replay it again. That's the earth, or the moon orbiting and casting a shadow on the earth, thereby stopping the sunlight from reaching the earth. That is what is called the solar eclipse, or the eclipse of the sun. Let us look at the lunar eclipse, or the eclipse of the moon. A lunar eclipse is caused by the earth blocking sunlight from reaching the moon and creating a shadow across the lunar surface. The sun blocking earth casts two shadows that fall on the moon during a lunar eclipse. The umbra is a full dark shadow, and the penumbra is a partial outer shadow. That is the earth. That is the sun, the earth. This is the lunar eclipse, and the earth is in between the sun and the moon. Now the earth is blocking the sunlight from reaching the moon, and thereby casting a shadow on the moon. This part where we have the full dark shadow is the umbra, and the part where we have the partial shadow, this part now where we have the partial shadow, is the penumbra. That is what the lunar eclipse looks like. The earth is in between the sun and the moon, and is stopping the sunlight from getting to the moon. Importance of the eclipse. The eclipse allows the scientists to see part of the sun's atmosphere, known as the corona, that is too faint to see, except when the bright light of the sun is blocked. This has brought us to the end of this exercise today on the eclipse of the sun and the moon. Let us look at the assessment section. State the two types of eclipse. Question number 2. What's another name for lunar eclipse? Drop your answer in the comment section. That will be all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next demo.